I feel like I'm always waiting for my desires to arrive, always looking for proof in my reality, waiting for something or someone to validate me. I keep looking for movement, and there's none. And that is so frustrating. I am so annoyed. It feels like I'll just never get my desires. Manifesting feels so hard for me, but it's okay. I accept myself anyway. I accept where I am, and it's okay that I feel impatient sometimes. But right now, I'm done waiting. Right now, I'm stepping into my new reality. There's nothing to wait for. I don't need proof to feel how I want to feel. I can feel it now because it's already mine. Energetically, my desires are here. They're done. They're mine. I don't need to check or chase for anything. I don't need to wait. I can feel grateful and excited that my manifestations are here. I allow myself to receive my desires now. And I'm releasing all resistance and stepping into receiving mode now. I am no longer waiting. I'm being because my desires are already here.